Hi there, students. Far afield. I think this is an adverbial phrase. You could use it in the comparative as well, further afield, or even farthest afield. It means from a long way away, from far and wide. People came from far afield to listen to his lecture. The fruit and veg in the supermarket comes from far afield. So from very distant places. The students in this class come from far afield, from China, from Latin America, from India, from Eastern Russia, far afield. Notice, I said it's an adverbial phrase, so I'm not sure I would use the phrase a far afield place. I think from far afield. It comes from far afield. So you need to use this phrase far afield with verbs. Yeah? Far afield veg. No, the vegetables come from far afield. He looked far afield for his answers. The book I was looking for wasn't in the library, so I had to search further afield. I've travelled to many different places in my life. I think the furthest afield I have been is the North Pole. Not true. Okay, so from far and wide, a place that is distant from home or from where the speaker is. I was trying to find some usages of this afield on its own, but nothing really convinced me. Now, far afield, you don't have to use it uniquely for physical distance. You can use it figuratively. Our conversation ended up far afield from what we were supposed to be talking about. If the information that you're looking for isn't in the textbook, then you are going to have to look further afield. I learned a lot about this subject from my tutor, but then I wanted to look further afield to find more detail about it. Okay, so far afield, a long way away, far and wide, distant from home or distant from where you should be. And remember, it's an adverbial phrase. What about formality? I think this is probably neutral formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation in the pub, and I think you could use it in a very formal document as well. The government have searched far afield for viable solutions to this problem. Okay, so it works both informally and very formally. It's quite a nice phrase, and I suggest you use it. Yeah, just means a long way away, from far and wide, from distant places. So there you go. If you want to know the meaning of a word, you needn't look further afield than my channel. Yeah, you needn't go elsewhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Far afield and farther afield, and even furthest afield.